take 8,072,000.
I just wanna show you that I'm the nicest. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if
It's Nica. How are you guys? If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be about some affordable hair. You know, like sometimes we want to slay, but we just don't have the budget to be getting some Beyonce, Rihanna bundles. We just need to get us, you know, a little something, something. So that is what this video is going to be about today. For real, like I'm gonna, you know, do a little review on this hair that I have. You guys will never believe this hair cost me 40 bucks and it is from the beauty supply store. So if you'd like to know more about it, then please keep watching. So this hair is the Outre Premium Purple Pack Brazilian Boutique hair. I have the little flyer here from the pack that it comes in, and it comes with it's a human hair blend hair, so it's half human, I guess, and half synthetic hair. It comes with the lengths 18, 20, and 22 inches, as well as a closure. It doesn't say how long the closure is, but it does have a nice 4-inch deep parting space, and I got mine in the color 950, which is just this nice kind of burgundy-ish, chocolatey, brownish color, I guess you could say. But yeah, so like I said, I got this hair from the beauty supply store, and I decided to make it into a wig, and I used the hot glue gun method. I'm going to probably insert some clips here. I was gonna film myself making the wig, however, my friend came over, I just lost track of time, and yeah, so I decided to just do it. If you guys want to see a more in-depth hot glue gun tutorial how I do it, just let me know, and I will definitely do that for you guys, or I might just do it anyway, you know, even though nobody wants to see it. But yeah, so like I was saying, yeah, the hair has the 3 bundles with the closure. The closure came with a smaller part than this. I just plucked it to open it up because I felt like it would look more natural that way. And it came with this like brown fabric underneath it. I guess that was supposed to look like natural scalp, but I just cut that out because I just felt like it was too dark and it didn't match my real scalp color. I just put a little bit of my foundation on it and set it with some of my face powder, and yeah, that is it. And to put the wig on, I do use the elastic band method. I don't, you know, like the wig glue thing or anything because I want to keep my edges and my widow's peak, okay? So yeah, at night just take it off and put it on my wig head. So far, I've had this wig that I made, or the hair, for a little over a week now, and the hair is actually really good. It doesn't get tangled that much. I do just, you know, walk around with my brush, and every so often I'll just brush through it if need be, but really just running my hands through it kind of does the job. And then the ends do tend to get a little bit dry sometimes, so what I do is I spray this on it, and this is the African Royale Braid and Extension Sheen Spray, and I just spray mostly on the ends and then a little bit like on my hands or on the top part. I brush it through, let it get damp, and then I just take my straighteners on 419 degrees and just run it through using the chase method with my brush, and the hair is good as new. Like, as you can see, like, it really looks like some real virgin hair bundles. Everyone who's seen it legit thinks like this is some virgin hair. Little do they know, it's some beauty supply hair store, but beauty supply store hair. Yeah, it's some beauty supply store hair. But yeah, that is it. I'm 5'7", and the hair reaches me here, which is like the top of my jeans, which is pretty good for the longest length being 22 inches. And I did cut layers into this hair just to make it flow with my face better and make it look more natural. But yeah, I think you guys should totally get this hair. I will leave the links down below to where you can get it. I bought it at Outre, which is a hair store here in Montreal. They also have an online store that ships all over Canada. And I have seen it for the US on Amazon and I think Sam's Beauty, if I remember that's the name of the site. But like I said, all of the links will be down below to where you can purchase this hair if I can find them. So yeah, I think that is it. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. And you know, subscribe if you want to. Thumbs up this video if you like it and you want me to do more videos like this, or you want to see the wig tutorial. And yeah, that is it. I don't have anything else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.